In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pika AI to make images and video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Pika, set up an image prompt, and generate a polished result, with a few practical tips to make your outputs more consistent and creative. First, head to the Pika AI website. Depending on availability in your region or the current rollout, Pika may also route you through Discord. Don't worry, the flow is essentially the same. Once you're in, look for the Create button and click it. This is your starting point for everything in Pika, from still images to motion tools. If you see an option labeled Image Generation, select it. Pika sometimes presents multiple creation modes, and choosing Image Generation ensures you're in the right workspace for making a still image. You'll see a prompt box. That's where you describe what you want Pika to create. Type a clear, descriptive prompt. Think of it as giving a brief to a very fast, very literal artist. Include the subject, the mood or lighting, the visual style, and any quality targets. For example, you might write, portrait of a fashion influencer, soft lighting, realistic Instagram style, high detail. Notice how that prompt covers what the subject is, how it should feel, the style reference, and the level of realism and detail. That combination helps Pika lock onto your intent and reduces guesswork. When your prompt looks good, click Generate. Pika will process your request and render an image. This typically takes a few moments. As soon as it's ready, your AI-generated image will appear on the screen. Take a second to assess it. Ask yourself whether the lighting, realism, and stylistic cues you included are showing up as expected. If something's a little off, the most reliable fix is usually a small wording change rather than a long, complicated overhaul. Swapping soft lighting for golden hour lighting or realistic for cinematic can make a surprisingly big difference. A couple of quick best practices as you iterate. Be specific about the subject and the vibe you're after. Keep your adjectives relevant to each other, and avoid piling on conflicting styles. If Pika offers guidance or examples in the interface, use them as a starting point and then tailor the language to your needs. That's the core workflow.